Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna be making a lemonade volcano. So for this you'll need some lemonade like I have here and here. And if you're wondering why lemonade, that's because if you don't have vinegar at your house, you can use lemonade instead of vinegar. So I also have some baking soda here inside this box here, and that's basically all you need. And if you're worried you're going to make a mess, you can have a plate like this so you don't. So first thing, this video is going to be really short. Yep. So first, let's take some baking soda. I'm not going to put it in like that. Let's just not put it in so quickly, and I guess I'm just going to ready in for a good camera angle so you guys can see the thing good. Let's go. Okay guys, I got a good camera angle here, and we also got the baking soda we need here. In 3, 2, 1. Ooh, okay, it's rising. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, this is rising a lot more than I thought it would. Yeah. Look at that. And it smells like lemonade. Yeah, and with some baking soda. Wow. I can sort of hear it just bubbling. Wow. Okay, now I'm gonna do an extra experiment inside of this experiment. Let's just hope the camera doesn't. Okay, let's just keep it there. Just like that. And what if I put some more baking soda? Oh, I think it shuts down the explosion. Oh yeah. So the lemonade ran out and I put some more baking soda, so it just shuts down and doesn't react more. So yeah, that was a pretty good experiment. So if you guys ever want to make a volcano and you don't have vinegar at your home, you can make it using lemonade. You can also do the same thing with vinegar. And yeah. And if you want, you can add food coloring to this lemonade volcano, but we didn't have food coloring available to us, so I just used normally. And there aren't exact measurements for how much baking soda you need to put in there. Just maybe around half a spoon of this size I have here. Maybe half a spoon of that. So yeah. Bye! And I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!